Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum girls. Chapter number 3, Senses and Sense Organs. There are 5 senses in our body. Number 1, sight. Sense organ is eye. Number 2, hearing. Sense organ is ear. Number 3, taste. Organ is tongue. Next is smell. Sense organ nose. Next sense is touch. Sense organ is our skin. What are senses? The things you react to are called stimuli. Your senses detect these stimuli with the help of sensory cells. These cells are called receptors, which are grouped together to form sense organs. Number 1, sight. Sight is the sense that lets you know the size, shape, color, and motion of an object. Here is your structure of eye. That is retina. Here pupil. There a lens is present. There are muscles to move your eye. These muscles are used to adjust lens. That is retina. It is at the back side of the eye. Here inverted image becomes, that is optic nerve. Optic nerve links between eye and brain, right? Number 1, when light falls on an object, the light is reflected and directed to your eyes. The light passes through the cornea, then pupil, and then to the lens. The lens sharpens the image and inverts it. The image becomes first is inverted. An image is formed on the retina. This image is formed on the retina of the eye. The retina sends a message to the brain through the optic nerve. That is the optic nerve which connects brain to the eye. The retina sends message to the optic nerve and optic nerve sends it to the brain. The brain erects that image, inverted image, then inverted image यहाँ पे बनेगा रेटिना पर, फिर ब्रेन उसको इरेक्ट करेगा and helps you to identify the object. There are 2 types of receptors in your eye, rods and cones. The retina is made up of 2 types of photoreceptors. First one rods and second one is cone. Rods are sensitive to dim light. They are working in night. They are important for night vision and for seeking black and white colors, right? Cones are sensitive to the bright light. They are working in light time, daytime. They let you see colors and find details. Here that is cornea, then pupil, right? That is your pupil. ये आपका iris है, sclera, ये वाला portion, इसको हम सेक्लेरा कहते हैं, ठीक है. दैट इज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ आवर आई. सेकेंड वन इज हेयरिंग. सेंस ऑर्गन इज एयर. देयर आर मेजर 3 पार्ट्स ऑफ द एयर. फर्स्ट वन आउटर एयर, सेकेंड वन इज मिडल एयर, थर्ड वन इज इनर एयर. व्हेन थिंग्स वाइब्रेट दे प्रोड्यूस साउंड. Sound waves travel through air and reach our ears. Ears are the organs used for hearing. Your ear has 3 main parts: outer ear, middle ear and inner ear. That is outer, that is middle ear and that is inner. Pinna is included in outer ear. That is your ear canal, right? Sound waves travel through it. That is eardrum. Vibration becomes in that area. There are 3 tiny bones in the ear. That is your inner part. It is called cochlea. That is snail like structure, and that is auditory nerve. That is a nerve which connects your ear to the brain, auditory nerve, right? And there is ear tube. So basically there are 3 parts: first one, second one and third one. The outer ear is like a funnel that directs sound waves to the ear canal. When these waves reach middle ear, they vibrate the eardrum here. The eardrum converts sound waves to vibrations and passes them to 3 tiny bones. This one. These bones increases the vibrations up to 20 times. One of these bones vibrates the cochlea. Cochlea is a snail-like structure of the inner ear. It is filled with a fluid and sound vibrations make waves in this fluid. These waves are detected by receptor cells in the walls of cochlea, inside the cochlea, right? Receptor cells send messages to the brain through the auditory nerve, right? Messages sent through the auditory nerve towards the brain. Brain interprets these signals as the sounds you hear. Next one is taste. Taste is the sense that lets you detect flavors. Your tongue is covered with tiny bumps called taste buds. Here, taste buds are present. These are small taste buds and these are large taste buds. Taste buds have taste receptors. Taste receptors can detect 4 types of tastes: sweet, sour, salty, and bitter taste. These receptors send messages to the brain which interprets them as a particular taste. Next one is smell. The sense organ is your nose. Things have a smell because they give off particles called molecules. When you sniff something, these molecules travel up to the top of your nose. These are the molecules which are inside the top of the nose. These are receptors, right? And attached with the receptors. The smell receptors then send a message to your brain which recognizes it or remembers if it is a new smell, right? Next one is touch. The sense organ is skin. That is a part of a skin. That is microscopic view of human skin. Receptors आपको दिखाए गए हैं. One is mechanoreceptor. There are 2 types of mechanoreceptors. Touch receptors, ये जो कोई चीज़ आप फील करते हैं, टच करते हैं, उसको फील करने के लिए टच रिसेप्टर्स हैं. प्रेशर को फील करने के लिए प्रेशर रिसेप्टर्स हैं. पेन को फील करने के लिए पेन रिसेप्टर्स हैं. ये आपकी स्किन सरफेस दिखाई गई है, ये इस पे हेयर दिखाए गए हैं, ठीक है. और ये आपके टेम्परेचर रिसेप्टर्स हैं विच फील टेम्परेचर ऑफ समथिंग. टच. When you touch something, tiny touch receptors in your skin send a message to your brain. The 3 main types of touch receptors are mechanoreceptors, thermoreceptors and pain receptors. ठीक है. ओके गर्ल्स, ये आप लोगों का आज का लेक्चर था. इसकी तमाम फिगर्स को आप लोगों ने होमवर्क में अपनी नीट कॉपी से बनाना है और व्हाट्सएप पे सेंड करना है. और दूसरा, आप लोगों ने तमाम टॉपिक्स बहुत अच्छे तरीके से याद भी करने हैं. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.